Every step that I make, I aim to set intention, what it means, why I'm doing it. Music is just something that seemed to stick. Grew up in New Orleans, Louisiana. Started playing drums in church. Music in general has just been such a very big part of my life. What I love about the Oura ring is that it just ties into what I love naturally, and I already wear a lot of jewelry. I wear a lot of gold rings, gold chains, gold things, got gold sticks. The amount of opportunities that have come from me betting on myself made me realize how much I have the ability to bring whatever I envision into my reality. I was starting to understand how the music industry really works. I had just gone into a slump. So that is why things like Oura are very important to my everyday habits. Moving to a place where I have begun to take my health very seriously. I can have a reminder that I haven't taken enough steps today. I'm actually not getting enough sleep to be able to operate at my fullest capacity. Exercise has become a very important aspect of my life, a very important aspect of my creativity. Oura helps me understand my body. It is a symbol of how much my life has changed.